Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice country which is the Bolivia. It's in Latin America, so it's in American region. You can see the name of the country in the middle, Bolivia. So it has some bordering countries on the northeast corner. You can see the Brazil here. On the southeast corner you can see the Paraguay. On the eastern side, on the south side you can see the Argentina here, Chile on the western side, and Peru on the northwest side here. So it's a very nice country, and it has several borders with few other countries. So you can see smaller outlines here. Now I'm going to make it a bold outlines here, and you can see the coloring. So I'm putting the dark deep colors and make the colors a bold one so that you can understand the whole things. Okay, usually the borders and the elements of the maps doesn't change over the years. In some cases, if there's happens the wars, or if some countries decides to merge together, in that case the maps and the surroundings change. But most of the cases, for most of the countries, it's remained unchanged for more than 500 years. So that's why if you have any school syllabus or any other graduation course during the geography course, then you have to memorize the whole things, the every stops, and so that you can draw the things clearly, nicely, and particularly perfectly, very precisely, because you cannot change the thing. That's why you have to memorize it. So the whole border, you can see I just put the red colors here. Now I'm going to use the crayons. You can see the oil pastels colors here, and I'm just putting the few strokes on the top. You can see on the north side I've started here, and just putting the strokes like the pencil sketch. When you do the pencil sketch, then you move the things like this one, all the pencils. But in this case we are going to use the oil pastels, and you can see on the west side I'm just putting all the colors here. Now I'm moving on the south, and you can see here, and on the east side I'm just putting all these things done, and all the drawings, all the pastels colors is alongside the borders, so that it has a visual separation point from the outside surface. So outside bordering areas, you can see it's left white, as because the colors of the paper is the white. So when you put the pastel colors here, then you can have some racks here, and it's not that much smoother. So if you want to make the colors nice, smooth, and easy, you have to use the blending stumps, or you can use the fingers like me. And just if you move along the borders, then you can see all the colors just mixed up with all the surroundings very easily, and the whole drawing and the maps becomes visually nice and perfect. So that's what I'm doing with the bordering countries. All the blending things is almost done. I'm using a very eye smoothing, a light color that's so not that much darker. Okay, so that's the map, and you can see the visual points is very clear. And Bolivia, it's in Latin American locations. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. You can do the practice at home. The more you practice, the more perfect the drawing is going to be. Okay, the main practical reason for all the maps is that if you want to travel any countries, then if you when you like the maps of these countries, the endemic things and the demographic stuffs about the people, about the culture, about all the neighboring countries, then it's your time for taking the very right decisions, very good decisions, whichever you want to do, whatever you want to do, and wherever you want to go. There's the very good practical things. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe this channel. Stay tuned with Blue Hands Drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.